going. He's still not going to get out of there though, I don't think. I don't know.